Hey yo, what's cracking? Raresh here. Today, we're jumping straight into a topic that resonates with many of us in the tech world. Our friend, imposter syndrome. It's that nagging feeling that we don't belong, or that we're not as good as others perceive us to be. In the fast-paced and competitive field of technology, imposter syndrome can rear its head at any time, causing self-doubt and anxiety. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Even the brightest minds, the trailblazers who've shaped our digital world, have faced this feeling at some point. As we journey through this video, we'll explore the origins of imposter syndrome, its impact on your personal and professional life, and most importantly, how you can overcome it. Before we delve into ways to overcome imposter syndrome, it's essential to understand what it is. This psychological phenomenon can be summarized as a persistent feeling of inadequacy and self-doubt despite evident success or competence. It's that voice in your head whispering,
"You're a fraud, and sooner or later, everyone will find out."
Imposter syndrome often manifests when you're stepping into unfamiliar territory or encountering challenges in your career. It thrives in the tech world, where innovation is constant, and imposter thoughts can creep in, especially when you're learning new skills or tackling complex projects. It's essential to recognize that imposter syndrome isn't rooted in reality. It's a perception, not a reflection of your actual abilities. In reality, you're not an imposter, you're a capable, talented individual with unique skills to offer. Now, let's consider some common signs of imposter syndrome. Do you ever find yourself attributing your success to luck or external factors, rather than your skills and efforts? Or perhaps you're constantly setting excessively high standards for yourself and feeling crushed when you fall short. These are classic signs. Imposter syndrome can be paralyzing, preventing you from seizing opportunities, seeking advancement, or pursuing your dreams. But here's the good news, it's entirely possible to overcome. We're here to share 5 powerful rules that can help you silence that nagging voice of self-doubt and embrace your brilliance. The first step to conquer imposter syndrome is understanding that everyone makes mistakes. In the world of software development, mistakes are not only common, but also part of the learning process. Start by reframing your perspective on mistakes. Instead of viewing them as failures, consider them opportunities for growth. Mistakes provide valuable insights, allowing you to refine your skills and knowledge. Even Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Embrace a similar mindset, recognizing that each misstep brings you closer to mastery. Another strategy is to learn from the mistakes of others. Study the experiences of successful developers who have faced setbacks and challenges. Understand that even the most renowned professionals have encountered obstacles on their journey. This knowledge can diminish the feeling of being alone in your struggles. Additionally, seek feedback from colleagues or mentors when you encounter a mistake. Constructive criticism can guide you towards improvement and highlight areas where you may need further development. Remember, feedback is a gift. Rule number 2 is to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. As a developer, you'll achieve many milestones along your journey, whether it's completing a challenging project, mastering a new programming language, or receiving praise from a colleague or client. Take a moment to acknowledge your accomplishments. Celebrating achievements isn't about bragging, it's about boosting your confidence and combating imposter syndrome. When you acknowledge your successes, you're reinforcing your belief in your abilities. This positive reinforcement can help quiet your inner critic. One way to celebrate is by maintaining a victory journal or a digital portfolio. Document your achievements, skills acquired, and positive feedback you receive. When you're feeling doubtful, revisit this record to remind yourself of how far you've come. Another powerful way to celebrate is by sharing your knowledge and experiences with others. Mentor aspiring developers, write tech blogs, start a YouTube channel, or give talks at meetups or conferences. Sharing your insights not only helps others but also reinforces your own expertise. Remember, each step forward is a reason to celebrate. It's a testament to your growth and potential in the world of software development. Moreover, share your achievements with trusted friends or mentors. Discussing your successes with others can help you gain an external perspective and valuable feedback that reinforces your worth. Rule number 3 in overcoming imposter syndrome is to embrace continuous learning. In the dynamic world of software development, learning is a lifelong journey. Staying updated with evolving technologies, frameworks, and best practices is not only necessary but also empowering. Begin by adopting a growth mindset, which means believing in your ability to develop skills and knowledge over time. Recognize that you have the capacity to learn and adapt. This mindset shift can help you approach challenges with enthusiasm rather than fear. The tech world moves at a lightning pace. New languages, frameworks, and tools emerge daily. Embrace this dynamism as an opportunity rather than a threat. Recognize that it's okay to not know everything right away. No developer, no matter how experienced, does. Lastly, I want to emphasize that the tech industry thrives on innovation and adaptability. As a developer, you're part of a community that values curiosity and progress. By embracing continuous learning, you not only combat imposter syndrome, but also position yourself for success in the ever-evolving field. Remember, learning isn't limited to technical skills alone. Soft skills like communication, problem solving, and time management are equally vital. Rule 4 delves into the importance of networking and creating a robust support system. In the tech world, no one succeeds in isolation. It's crucial to establish connections with peers, mentors, and fellow developers. Networking isn't just about swapping business cards or connecting over LinkedIn. It's about genuinely engaging with others in your field. Attend tech conferences, meetups, and webinars to meet like-minded individuals. Share your insights and challenges, and you'll find that imposter syndrome is a common thread among many developers. Building a support system involves reaching out to mentors and peers who can offer guidance and encouragement. Share your concerns and seek advice when imposter syndrome strikes. Often, they face similar struggles and can provide valuable insights. Collaboration is key. Consider teaming up on projects or coding challenges with fellow developers. This not only enhances your technical skills, but also boosts your confidence and exposes you to different perspectives. Remember, you're not alone in this journey as a software developer. By fostering connections and building a support network, you'll find strength in unity, making imposter syndrome a thing of the past. One common trap that individuals with imposter syndrome fall into is comparing themselves to their peers or colleagues. This often happens in the tech industry, where the constant evolution of technology and the presence of highly skilled professionals can intensify feelings of inadequacy. However, it's crucial to understand that this type of comparison is counterproductive for several reasons. First of all, no two individuals have the exact same journey in their career or personal development. People come from diverse backgrounds, have different learning paces, and face unique challenges. Comparing yourself to someone else is like comparing apples to oranges. Often, we only see the surface of others' achievements. People tend to showcase their successes while concealing their failures and struggles. Relying on external benchmarks like social media profiles or job titles can create a distorted view of reality. Constantly comparing yourself to others can hinder your growth. Instead of focusing on your own progress, you might be preoccupied with trying to match someone else's achievements. These can lead to missed opportunities for personal development. Unhealthy comparison can severely impact your self-esteem. When you constantly feel like you're falling short of someone else's standards, it erodes your confidence and reinforces imposter syndrome. Remember, your journey is uniquely yours and success is subjective. By letting go of comparisons and focusing on your own development, you can break free from the shackles of imposter syndrome and find fulfillment in your career and life. In summary, imposter syndrome is a common challenge in the tech world, but you have the power to overcome it. By following these 5 rules, you can navigate this journey with confidence. So, embrace your unique journey, focus on continuous growth, and don't let self-doubt hold you back. With determination and the right mindset, you can truly excel in your software development career. That's it for today. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow developers who might benefit from it. Also, if you have any questions that I can answer in a future Q&A, improvement ideas, or just want to say hi, please drop a comment below. Until the next video, have a good one. Raresh out.